exhausting. There were depositions, hearings, and endless documents, but through it all, I felt something powerful, a sense of justice slowly building. Clara tried to paint me as unstable, but the evidence spoke louder. Those texts, those recordings, they told the truth she couldn't twist. When the court date finally arrived, she strutted in like it was a fashion show, dressed in designer clothes and smirking as if it were all a joke. She whispered to my brother and even laughed as the judge called the case to order. My lawyer presented the timeline, showing how the threats escalated from manipulation to intimidation. Every message was read out loud, each word echoing across the courtroom. Then came the turning point, a series of text screenshots where she explicitly said, "That kid doesn't deserve a penny, I'll make sure of it." The room went silent, Clara's face drained of color. My brother's jaw dropped as he read the words himself. By the time the judge finished, there was no laughter left in her. The ruling was swift. Clara was found guilty of harassment, intimidation, and making threats across state lines. The restraining order became permanent, and she was ordered to pay legal damages. The judge even commented that her actions showed an alarming lack of humanity. I sat there quietly, tears welling up, not from sadness but relief. My son was safe. Justice, though slow, had finally arrived. After court, my brother approached me with red eyes. He apologized, saying he never believed she'd go that far. I didn't respond right away. Forgiveness takes time, and the wounds she left weren't just legal, they were emotional. My son, though young, understood something important from it all, that standing up for yourself, no matter who you face, is worth it. Clara disappeared from our lives after that. She sold her house, deleted her social media, and avoided all contact. The whispers in the community faded, replaced by quiet respect for the woman who didn't back down. I never wanted revenge, only safety. But watching her crumble under the weight of her own cruelty reminded me that sometimes, karma wears a suit and walks right into the courtroom with you. The courtroom was colder than I expected, and every echo of shoes on the polished floor made my heart race. Clara, my sister-in-law, sat across the aisle wearing a smug grin, her confidence radiating like she already knew the verdict. She whispered to my brother, smirked, and even laughed softly, as if all of this was just a game. For her, maybe it was a game of control, of manipulation, of ego. For me, it was the fight of a lifetime. The months leading up to that day had been pure torment. She had threatened my child, smeared my name, and tried to twist every relative against me. But this was the day everything would change. When the judge entered, silence washed over the room. I remember staring straight ahead, refusing to look at Clara. My lawyer leaned